I'm delicate. And who are you? Period. Do that. Somebody please do that. If y'all do that, please tag me in the comments below. Hey YouTube, and welcome to my channel. This is your first time here. Hey, my name is Kiera and this is my channel, Hey Key. If you clicked on this video, you are looking for a last minute Halloween costume. Halloween is what, two weeks away? So I got you. I came up with 8 cute baddie outfits for this year's Halloween 2023. I got you. I love Halloween. Halloween is like literally my favorite holiday. Like, I love dressing up. I just love going out, having fun, dressing up. It's like no major expectations for it, just having a good time. So yes, I love Halloween. With all that being said, let's jump into the video because I don't want to waste your time. Let's get these costumes ready, okay? So the first idea, and I was actually gonna do this costume like 2 or 3 years ago, but like one year it was cold, the other year I didn't celebrate, and then this year I decided to do something completely different. But this goes with 2023. So I think a cute outfit would be a sexy mermaid. Hear me out. Mermaids have been there, done that, whatever. But since The Little Mermaid came out this year, and we have Hailey Bailey being like our mermaid, I think that would be like so on brand for 2023. And like you can get like a cute little push-up bra and like glue like the stars on there, like little starfish. And I'll actually show you guys because I bought all my stuff to be a mermaid and I just never made the costume. I guess I'll do it next year. I don't know. But yes, y'all. I literally bought stuff 2 or 3 years ago when I was planning my Little Mermaid costume. Not Little Mermaid, just my mermaid costume. Like, I love Halloween, y'all. Like, I bought like real like starfish and stuff off of Amazon. I got like pearls and stuff. Like, I was gonna get like this big old padded bra to sit everything up, and I was gonna glue it all on there. I got like a net, but I don't know where the net is at. Like, these are literally like my glue sticks to glue everything on. Like, I take Halloween like serious, y'all. Like, this stuff is like years old. Like, the seashells, it's all dusty. Like, I'm for real with this. So I'll probably be a mermaid eventually. I don't know when, but look at this. I was gonna glue these on, have like pearls everywhere. Like, girl, a mermaid, especially with Hailey being our mermaid, and she did so well. Ooh, like a little netted like skirt with like some high-waist shorts underneath, and like a little netted skirt. You can like hot glue some seashells in it and some pearls and stuff in it, and like a middle part not a jet black, but like a middle part red wig. 30 inches and just like this cherry red and luscious. Maybe cut some layers in it so it can have volume. Oh my God. I'm going to be a mermaid maybe next year. And maybe it'll be one of my costumes next year. But yes, mermaid. The next one is on theme with 2023 is a Barbie. It was the Barbie movie that came out this year, so you cannot go wrong with Barbie. And the good thing with Barbie, especially if it's just you or even if it's like a friend group, there's so many variations of a Barbie. Like, you cannot go wrong with Barbie. You have President Barbie, the veterinarian Barbie, model Barbie, doctor Barbie, teacher Barbie, at-home wife Barbie. Like, there's so many Barbies. Especially if you have a friend group, that would be so cute to be Barbie dolls. Like, who don't like that? Be a Barbie. That's cute. Especially for a friend group. Now the next one, y'all. It wouldn't be 2023 without this one. Beyonce just came off tour. So everybody who went to that tour, we got all this silver we ain't gonna never wear again. Be the Beyonce Renaissance World Tour. Especially the Beehive members that went crazy and made those custom pieces, like literally the pieces that Beyonce was wearing on stage. Girl, you better dust it off and wear that on the street. Especially the girl who made that red bodysuit with the handprints and the gold ones and the silk. Girl, You better put that to use. You better put that to use. What are you? The Renaissance World Tour. Now this other one, 2023 again. Now this is for my American Horror Story fans that are out there. And like the new season, Delicate, some people love it, some people hate it. I actually enjoy this season. It's like a slow, steady burn. But the costume, I'm thinking what was it, like the trailer, the picture for the season. It's like the big lashes, the red glossy lip, and the white outfit with the spider on the stomach. That's a look. If you are an American Horror Story fan, that is a look. You put a spider right there. If you know, you know. That's a look. If y'all like my ideas so far, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. Your girl just hit 10,000 subscribers. Now this one is funny. This is 2023 too. This one is funny. Now this is the friend group of 3. You have to be a friend group of 3. And if you into like hip hop, R&B, whatever, you gonna know when I say it. So Santana, Summer, Sexy. Do it. Do it. Santana, Summer, and Sexy. What was that picture when all of them went out and Summer Walker was crazy on her head and on top of the car and all of that? Like, y'all can recreate that picture. And I know Santana said don't nobody dress up like him, but Santana, this look is so iconic, y'all. This look is so iconic. Like, you gotta let us do this. Like, that's a look. Oh my God, my camera's about to die. Another idea that I think is really cute is being like a play on good versus evil. Like the good conscience, the bad conscience, like the good angel on the side, the bad angel on the side. Like, I feel like that would be an amazing costume for a duo friend group. Like, I think that'd be so lit, so cute, and you can play it up and play it down so many different ways. I feel like, what's the good with the bad? What's the yin to the yang? What's right? What's wrong? Like, we all got a little bit of both. I feel like that'd be a look. So, good versus evil, the school of bad and evil. Yin and yang, light and dark. Feel like it's a vibe. That's a look. And then my last idea is, this is a friend group of 4. This one, like I said, it has to be a group of 4 for this idea to work. Like, you cannot pull this out you cannot pull this off without a friend group of 4. Like, it's just not happening. So I know like astrology is like really big right now. It's really trendy. It's really buzzworthy. Everybody's like, what's your sign? What's your rising? What's your moon? Blah, blah, blah. What's all of that? I'm thinking a friend group of 4 being like the elements and like a sexy, sexy version. Like, you got your air, you got your earth, you got your water, you got your fire. So if you got your fire, I'm thinking like some fluffy, luscious red and orange, like an ombre type hair. Like, it can be like a little bit of blonde, a little bit of like a burnt orange down to some red, and the tips can be like fiery red, and it's like luscious layers, like just layers of fire. Just straight out the fire. Just beautiful, okay? With a glossy lip, like a nude beat face, perfect brows, perfect lash, and like a glossy cherry gloss red. Oh my God, you can play like with some latex, like a latex like crop, or like a push, like a bustier or something. Oh my God, like just latex pants. You can, now for earth, I'm feeling like greens and golds. Like, I'm an earth sign, Virgo, period. Like, we can, like with earth, we can do so much. We can do like chocolate brown hair. We want to be spicy. We can do like a little green little bob or something. We can do whatever, and just real like forest with some leaves. We the earth. We everything, y'all. Like, we got the air is around us. The water is in us. The fire is in our core. Like, earth embodies it all. Okay? Now for the little air or whatever. Y'all can be real creative with the air. I love some air people. It's just, y'all can be real creative. But anyway, with the water, like, I'm thinking, We can do like icy, like somebody can get some icy blue contacts, and they can have like frost and like some icicles, like some crystals or something around their eyes, and like maybe like some blonde hair and like a pretty blue, like whimsical, like little romper, like a shirt that's like very just flowy, looks like flowing like the water. I'm thinking, oh my god, that'll be so beautiful. I'm just envisioning. Now, anyway, back to you air people. White, gray, a little bit of blue. I'm thinking like icy, cause y'all just so cold and aloof, you know. But yeah, icy and breezy, you know, flowy, you know, just flapping around. But either way, let me stop. Everybody around me is an air sign, honestly and truly. But air, I just feel like you can pull it so many different ways, all jokes aside. But the four elements, I feel like that would be bomb. Like the four elements would be so bomb. If somebody watching this video and y'all like that idea and y'all actually do that idea, can you please tag me on your Instagram or your TikTok or whatever so I can see it? Like that would be so freaking bomb, just being the four elements. I would love to see how that's played out. Just seeing how it comes to life. Y'all got 2 weeks. Halloween is in 2 weeks. Let me see what is going on. But that is the end of my list. Those are my 8 ideas for Halloween costumes for 2023. So if you like these ideas, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget again to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will catch you guys on the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye, y'all.